How to reset Life360 password. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the 360 application. Now to get started, you have to log into your account. If you already have an account, tap on sign in. If you don't have an account yet, create a new account. Now to log in, tap on sign in. Now you can either continue with your phone number or you can continue with email as well. Here I will sign in with my email address. So type in your email address, then tap on continue. And on the next page, you will ask to enter your password. In case you forgot your password, here is how you can reset it. There a link is provided that says forgot password. Tap on that. That will take you to new page. Now for your verification, first of all type in your email address. You have to provide the email address that you have access to, or else you can also use your phone number. Once you type in your email, then tap on continue. After that, you will receive an email from Life360 which will help you to reset your password. So on your mobile device, open up your Gmail. And in your inbox page, you will get an email from Life360. Open it up and there you will get a link to reset your password. So tap on reset password. Then you will be taken to next page where you can change your password. So first of all, type in your new password and remember that your password must be at least 8 characters and a letter and a number and with a special character. So make sure you create your password with that. And under that, confirm your password again. Once you're done, tap on continue. And with that, your password has been changed. Now you can log into Life360 account with your recently created password. So that's how you reset Life360 password, and that's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end and I will see you on next video.